In this video, we are going to see how we can delete and clear a data from a cell or a column. So if you want to delete a data from a cell, simply you just select the cells and press delete. So this is the simple way of deleting a cell. Another option is you have to go to the home tab here, and here you can see the clear icon. What it is doing, delete everything in the cell or remove just the formatting, contents, comments or hyperlinks. Okay, if I click this drop down, you can see we have some options: clear all, clear formats, clear contents and clear hyperlinks, and clear comments and notes. So we will see one by one. So first is clear all. So if we select our cells first, and we'll go to the clear option and we will do clear all. So what it is doing, clear everything from the selected cell. All contents, formatting and comments are cleared from the selected cell. So if I click this, you can see everything is gone. Formatting also gone. All the data from the cell is gone. Let's undo this. Now let's see the second option. Click this drop down again. Then second option is clear format. What it is doing, clear only the formatting that is applied to the selected cell. Now here in the column D, you can see we have applied a formatting of a currency. You can see a dollar symbol all over the values. Okay, so if I'm clicking this clear format, what it is now you can see there is no dollar symbol. Formatting is completely gone. Only the values are present. So if we click on clear formatting, we are going to get only the values, but we will not see any formatting to the applied cells. Okay, let's undo this. Now we'll see the third option, which is clear content. It is what it is doing, clear only the content in the selected cell. So it is the same as the delete key. So if I am clicking the clear content, here you can see all the values are getting deleted. It is just like a delete command. Okay, now let's see the fourth option. Let's undo this. Fourth option is the clear hyperlink. So here in the cell column C, you can see there are few hyperlinks. So we will select this, all the cells, and we'll go to the clear option, and here clear hyperlink. Here at the bottom you can see again the clear hyperlink option. Just click this drop down, and here clear hyperlinks and formats, you just click this. Now you can see all the hyperlinks are gone. So this was a fourth option. Now one more option is present here. Let's undo this. One more option is present, which is clear comment and notes. Here you can see I have added two comments here. Review the item to the row number 3, and to the row number 11 we have added a check price. So if we want to delete such comments, then what you have to do, you have to select that cell, okay, and go to the clear option, and here clear comment and note. It is gone, right? Let's undo this, and we'll do same for this row number 11. Just select the cell, go to the clear option, and just clear comment and notes. What it is doing, clear any comments and notes that are attached to the selected cells. So let's clear it, and it is gone. So this way you can do the deleting and clearing the data from a cell and a columns.